everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this 4-pack of stainless steel cutlery knives. So we're gonna check out this and see how these work. I have an apple here to show you it with. So we will give these things a shot and see how they are. I'm gonna assume they're all the same. Let's go look at them just to be sure. So we have that one, this one, yeah. Okay, they're all the same, they just have different colors to them. So we have all these different colors and they come with the different the little sleeves for them as well. So let me pick a color. I'll try this one here. Let me just rinse it off here a little bit just to make sure it's clean. So it's seeing as it hasn't been used before. And we'll try it on an apple. So here we are, we have an apple. Ooh, that cuts nice. Very sharp. Yes, indeed. Look at that, and then I usually do this to cut out this little thing here. I'll just dump it in the trash. So we'll make ourselves some apples. Wow, look how nice this cuts. And these are all the different colors here. These are made out of steel, I guess. So let's see, tackle all nimble tasks with extra precision. Definitely precision. I am able to get these things really well. Durable and sharp, for sure. Food grade, let's hope so. I'm cutting food with it. Lightweight, definitely, yeah, it's really lightweight. They're not dishwasher safe, they say, so we gotta wash these suckers by hand. It's gonna be the one thing we gotta do. But just warm water and stuff and it should be good. Don't cut hard materials like bones, keep it away from fire and flame, you know, just the regular stuff. But let's see how we do here. So look at this. I mean, if you were really to hold a chef's knife, it would be like this, but this one's not that big. But cuts really nice. Look at all these thin slices I can get. So I'm gonna say this is a very nice knife set. And I will be using it. So look at all these pieces I got. Very nice. So I'm gonna say this knife set is thumbs up for me. It's the Gourmetop. And it comes with 4, so you got all 4 of these. So it's kind of nice because then now this one's dirty, I can use the other one, so just kind of go through a lot of them. Thumbs up, excellent.